In front of me is REALME GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down and click on Manage All next to App Notifications. Finally, by tapping on Recent over here, select the best option for you to sort your apps by, for example, frequency of notifications. And last but not least, use blue switcher next to any app to block notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also go back, select any app from here, and use this switcher next to Allow Notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!